I'm proud of my degree, and I think it prepared me well for life and a career. First degree was 1982, Bachelor of Science in Architecture. And then I got my master's officially in 1989, and that was my goal when I went into school, to become an architect. That was kind of my dream job. Get the scaffold set and get it removed and cleaned up. Today I'm the Director of Operations for Lincoln Public Schools. I've been there for 26 years. I want to go back to the LPS scope of work. It's been a great ride for me, being involved in bond issues, building new buildings, renovating existing buildings, and we have buildings like Lincoln High that are over 100 years old that we're very proud of and we take good care of. In my 26-year tenure, the number of high schools in Lincoln has doubled from 4 to 8. And we've probably added another 12 to 15 new schools just based on the city's growth. Lincoln Public Schools and my operations team fulfill a project like a new high school. I mean, that's a huge undertaking, literally years of process to get to that point, from defining what the need is to finally opening the doors of a brand new high school. And designing it around today's standards and providing flexibility for the future, because as I mentioned, Lincoln High, that building's been around for over 100 years and things have changed a lot in education in 100 years. So making sure new facilities are adaptable. UNL has a lot to offer. I think it's a great university. We have multiple campuses, so you have access to different career paths and education in those career paths throughout the state. It prepared me well for life and problem solving. Those experiences, I think, have been the most fulfilling to me. I'm proud to be a UNL alum. My wife's a UNL alum. The fact that my kids went to UNL and graduated here and they're all successful in their careers. The education aspect of my family and our life has been important to us. And I hope when I have grandkids someday that they'll do the same. I can't control all that, but I'm hopeful that they will, that they'll want to go to the University of Nebraska.